In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Calendar, a powerful and user-friendly tool for managing your schedule. So whether you're juggling personal appointments, professional meetings, or planning collaborative events, Google Calendar is designed to help you stay organized and productive. Let's start with how to access Google Calendar. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. Alternatively, for a more mobile-friendly experience, you can simply open the Google Calendar app on your device. Whichever method you choose, you'll need to sign in using your Google account to access your calendar. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Google Calendar offers multiple views: day, week, month, or agenda. You can switch between these views depending on your preference and the level of detail you need. Furthermore, you can toggle multiple calendars on or off, allowing you to manage personal, work, or holiday schedules all in one place. Now, let's create some events. Click on a date or a specific time slot and begin entering the essential details like the event's title, time, location, and a brief description. Google Calendar makes it easy to invite others by entering their email addresses, allowing for seamless collaboration. For events that repeat, such as weekly team meetings or monthly book clubs, the recurrence option is a major time saver. This tool lets you set up repeating events with options for daily, weekly, monthly intervals, or even custom intervals, ensuring you never miss a recurring commitment. Reminders and notifications play a crucial role in keeping you on top of your schedule. Google Calendar allows you to customize these alerts, choosing between email notifications or pop-up alerts right on your device, so you'll never miss an important meeting or appointment. Inviting and managing guests is straightforward with Google Calendar. Once you've added guests, you can control their permissions, like whether it's allowing them to modify events or even invite others. This flexibility helps in maintaining a collaborative environment. Using multiple calendars is another fantastic feature, catering to distinct categories of your life. For instance, create separate calendars for work, personal time, or any other category you require. Color coding these calendars can give your schedule a visual organization boost. Sharing your calendar with others is simple. You can share via email and control their access levels, whether you want them to only view or also edit your calendar. Let's not forget about some of Google Calendar's advanced features. The Find a Time feature or suggested times makes scheduling meetings a breeze by considering everyone's availability. Attaching files or Google Meet links to events transforms your calendar into a comprehensive planning tool for virtual meetings. Plus, the robust search bar allows for quick lookup of events, saving you time. Finally, ensure that Calendar Sync is turned on in your apps to maintain your schedule seamlessly across all devices. Google Calendar's flexibility and powerful tools are all about making your life easier, giving you peace of mind by keeping everything on schedule effortlessly.